हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपके साथ हूँ स्टैंडर्ड 7 का इंग्लिश बाल भारती 4.6 पापा पैनोज स्पेशल क्रिसमस इस लेसन के इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेकर हम मार्जिनल क्वेश्चन देखने वाले हैं। उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन द लिटिल विलेज व्हाट शोज दैट इट इज क्रिसमस टाइम। Answer: the children were excited and there were sound of chatter and laughter in the houses, the sound of happiness, the bright light and the smell of Christmas cooking showed that it is Christmas time in the little village. Question 2. Did Papa Pano have a shop away from his home? Answer: no, his shop and home were the same. Question 3. Did he live alone? Why? Answer: yes, he lived alone because his wife and children were dead. Question 4. What do the laughter wrinkle tell us? Answer: the laughter wrinkle tells us that Papa Panos was a happy and jolly person, laughed and smiled a lot. What it tells us that Papa Panos is a kind person. After reading the Christmas story, Papa Panos thought that if Mary, Joseph and Mary little baby had come to his house, he would have given them his bed and covered the baby with his quilt to keep it warm. His concern even for the people in a story tells us that he is a kind person. When he saw the sweeper looking miserable and dirty on the cold Christmas morning, he felt sorry for him. He invited him into his house for a hot coffee. This also shows his kindness. Question 6. Why is the small box dusty? Answer: the small box contains a perfect pair of tiny leather shoes, probably kept as for they were the best shoes that Papa Pan had made. The box had been kept high up on sale and he had probably forgotten about it, therefore it was dusty. Question 7. What thought did Papa Pano have before the fell asleep were they related to his dream? Answer: Papa Pano first thought that he had no gift to give baby Jesus, then the thought that he could give baby Jesus the tiny leather shoes as a gift. They were the best shoes he had ever made. Yes, they were related to his dream. Question 8. Did Papa Pano believe in his dream? Answer: yes, he did. Question 9. In what forms did Papa Panos imagine Jesus to visit him? Answer: he wondered if the Jesus would be a little baby or grown man, a carpenter, or a great king when he came to visit him. Have you ever noticed how some people have to work even on festivals? Who are they? Some people who have to work even on festival are sweepers, doctor, policeman, bus driver and conductor, taxi driver, shopkeeper, selling essential products like milk and medicines, etc. Question 11. Why did Papa Pano give hot coffee to the sweeper? Answer: the sweeper was looking miserable and dirty for the had to work in the cold misty morning and that too on Christmas Day. Papa Pano felt sorry for him and hence he gave him some hot coffee to keep out the cold. Question 12. Why did he tell the sweeper about his dream? Answer: Papa Pano kept looking out of the windows of he did not want to miss his special visitor. The sweeper noticed his and asked him if he was expecting someone. Therefore, Papa Pano told him about his dream. Question 13. Why did the sweeper smile? Answer: the sweeper smiled because he was grateful to Papa Pano for giving him a bit of Christmas cheer which he had never expected to have. Question 14. Why does the way the girl walks suggest? Answer: the way the girl walks suggests that she was extremely very sad. Question 15. Guess the meaning of the following. You both need a warm by the fire and a rest. Meaning है you both need to sit near the fire and get warm and take some rest. The young mother let him shepherd her indoors. The young mother allowed him to guide her into the house. 16 number. Why did Papa Pano give shoes to the baby? Thought he had been keeping them for Jesus. Answer. Papa Pano was a kind-hearted man. He saw that the baby feet were very cold and she had no shoes. Her mother could not afford to buy her any. Therefore, he decided to give the shoe to the baby, though he had been keeping them for Jesus. Question 17. How does the author show that Papa Pano was disappointed? What action of Papa Pano suggests it? After waiting for Jesus the whole day, Papa Pano finally walked back into his room at least and put up the then the sat down wearily in his armchair. This action suggests that he was disappointed. Question 18. How does the author describe Papa Pano's happiness? Answer. The author says that a great peace and happiness seemed to fill the room, overflying Papa Pano's heart. He wanted to burst out singing and laughing and dancing with joy. These words describe his happiness. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप है अभी उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन राइट द होमोफोन्स वर्ड विच साउंड द सेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड इन द स्टोरी इसके सेम साउंड के वर्ड कौन से है स्टोरी में ये हमें राइट करने हैं फर्स्ट वर्ड है नो होमोफोन से नो डीर का है डीर हेयर का है हेयर वेंट वेंट पेयर पेयर न्यू न्यू थ्रू थ्रू साउल साउल होल होल Question 2. Correct the following sentence and rewrite them. First, the best shoes that Papa Pano had made were a pair of lady shoes. Answer. The best shoes that Papa Pano had made were a pair of baby shoes. Papa Pano gave hot soup to the sweeper, milk to the young mother, and coffee to the beggars. Papa Pano gave hot coffee to the sweeper, milk to the baby, and hot soup to the beggars. Question 3. By afternoon, Papa Pano and stopped looking out for Jesus. Papa Pano stopped looking for Jesus after dusk fell. Papa Pano saw the sweeper, the young mother, and the beggars he had helped only once in the morning. Papa Pano saw the sweeper, the young mother had her baby and the beggars he had helped once again at night. Question 5. Jesus had actually visited Papa Pano only once on Christmas Eve. Answer. Jesus had visited Papa Pano many times on Christmas Day. Question 3. Write a character sketch of Papa Pano in your own words. तो ये है आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question 4. Write your own interpretation of the story. The author wishes to tell us that instead of waiting to serve God, we should serve our fellow human beings, especially those who are in distress. He wished to tell us that when he saw compassion and help those who are in distress, we are actually serving God. Question 5. Do you know of similar stories in your mother tongue or in other language? Narrate it in short. Question 6. Gather more information about the cold winters in Russia. तो ये है आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which season would you say is the hardest in your locality? What help would the poor and homeless people need in that season? Answer. The hardest season in my locality is summer. The poor and homeless would need a roof over their heads, clean drinking water, and some headwear to protect themselves from the blazing sun. They would also need fresh fruits, vegetables, and medicine to help them remain healthy. Thanks for watching video. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.